What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and as you can see, I have purchased the new iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I have a case here, a third-party case from Amazon. You can see the name right here. It's a Temdan magnetic case, fairly cheap. I'll put a link down to this case below. Let's go ahead and tear this off. There's a phone ready right there, and it's a clear case with the MagSafe on it. Nice and crispy, and as you know, majority of the time these cases tend to turn yellow, but again, like I said, it was fairly cheap, so it doesn't really matter. Here you have the cutout for the camera action button there, your power, of course your camera. You cut out for your USB-C speaker, and on the side your action button and your volume up and down. So let's go ahead and place this naked bad boy in here. From day one, I always put a case on my phone because eventually I'm going to sell it, just like the iPhone 14 Pro Max that I'm recording on. There's no issues with it. It's been in a case day one, so it looks brand new still. Siri, I did not activate you. As you can see, it comes with a lanyard here, which I'm not going to use. I guess if you want to carry your phone on your wrist or whatever, you can just loop it into those two holes right there. If you can see that. So yeah, I'm not going to be using that. Again, case is fairly cheap. I'll leave a link down below. It's going to get the job done. It has a nice lip around the screen itself, so you can easily put it on the table and not worry about your screen scratching or anything like that. Yep, that's it, guys. More videos to come, more cases to come. Thanks for watching my video. Peace out.